school, yes I'm Ebert, and you're getting 2 thumbs up. You had enough of Jim touch, you wanted rough, you're out of bounds. I want you smothered, want you covered like my Waffle House hash browns. Pick it up the decks and originate mixtures like Coca-Cola stock. You are inclined to make me rise an hour early, just like daylight savings time. Do it now.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.